All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the mailings menu. So I clicked on mailings and we got envelopes, labels, start mail merge, select recipients, edit recipient list, highlight merge fields, address block, greeting line, insert merge field, rules, match fields, update labels, preview results, finish, and then merge to Adobe PDF. So basically in this whole area, you can create labels, envelopes. So let's create labels, for example. Okay. And we'll just use this. That's fine. So we'll do new document, and then you'd be able to print this off, and these would be utilized as labels. Okay. Now if I do envelope, same thing. Okay. And it's just right there. So there you go. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.